Hello there, Rob Tepper, 1:14 a.m. in New York. So I have made some good progress, although it was so painful. I could have committed hara-kiri. But what you can see here is that we have the beckatepper.com website, and it is still hosted on GoDaddy. And we also have the new website, which is on this domain, and you can see that we're also able to log into WordPress, and we're able to navigate around in WordPress and do everything that we need to do. Now, specifically looking at this page here, because if you compare it to the same page on the other domain, so the original domain, which is the one that we want to move over, it looks the same. So the products are there, means that the data is there, the database is there, connected. At least the images are connected. Now, I just don't know how that interplays with the database, because here's the problem. The problem is when you're in here and you go to look at any one of these products, let's just say view, everything is fine. But if we do the same thing from any of the new domain pages, what you'll see is that it's not fine. So we'll just do an example of each. See, that came up right away. So it, in this case, the page that we were looking for is body chains, so it came up, and here's the domain, product category, body chains. But on the other domain, no matter what we choose, it doesn't work. Let's go back so that we're doing apples to apples and the categories section. In the category section, when we click on anything, let's do body change, the same one, it'll come up and say not found. And that's the case for anything that we try to navigate to. So there is some type of a database connectivity, not necessarily database, but some kind of a pointer issue. And aside from that, what I found, and probably is related, is that when I do change the name server over from Namecheap, where it's hosted right now, over to point to the new name servers on Amazon, which I've set up, everything goes haywire. So I've got an instance here where I've got two different instances of the database, but this is the one that I want to connect to. This was one that I created just the other day in order to test and see if that might be accounting for the problem I was having. So this is the instance. We just have this one instance. Which is here. And if we pull it up, we can have it showing, so there's all the details about it. But this is the one instance that we're running, and then this is the database that it should be tied to, and then the last piece is looking at the name servers. So I have set up the name servers according to this, and as soon as I switch them over on my Namecheap, which is currently pointing to my GoDaddy domain, as soon as I switch it over to here, everything crashes. I can't remember exactly what happens anymore, but it definitely is not working. But it's these four name server IDs that I'm using, but that's the second step. And the third piece is that I really want it to, and a lot of this problem started when I tried to switch it so that after switching over the name servers, that this would come up as beckatepper.com and not as the IP address. But there's some kind of a conflict. Again, this domain is on Amazon Web Services, and the old domain is hosted on GoDaddy. So let me know if you if you want to take a look at the details and you need all the login information, or if you have some general direction that you would prefer to give me. Thanks so much. Rob Tepper, over and out.